Hi students, dear friends, this is CA Shomodipto Das, founder of Face the Book Coaching, also known as the law teacher and the accounts teacher. Okay, many of you know me here, so I'll keep it short. Uh, firstly, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video and investing 3 minutes of your time. And exactly, I want to also appreciate that you are investing 3 minutes of your time, because this is going to be a superb investment. Okay, now let us talk about why. Okay, so for beginning any professional journey, to begin any professional career, we need 3 things to succeed. Number 1 is hard work, number 2 is passion, number 3 is care and diligence. Okay, now Face the Book tutorials, we have announced CA Foundation coaching online classes for you. So as a part of our initiative, we are ensuring that students work doubly hard. We are ensuring that their passion increases, and we will ensure that we give them utmost care and diligently teach them. To ensure that, what have we done? We are a specialized coaching center. Let me tell you, we are a specialized coaching center. That is, we do not deal with other courses. We dedicatedly teach CA Foundation. Okay, number 1. Number 2 is, we have specialized faculties who are subject matter experts and qualified professionals in their own field. So followed by this session by me, it will be Aditya sir and Nikul sir. Aditya sir happens to be a subject matter expert in maths and quants, and his forte is to strengthen weak students and give amazing impetus to strong students. And followed by Aditya sir will be Nikul sir. Nikul sir is a superb student of economics and a brilliant teacher. Okay, thank you. Hope to see you all at FTB online classes.
Hello students, my name is Aditya Goenka and I have been training students in maths and quants for competitive exams for the past 6 years in association with organizations like Career Launcher and Unacademy. Now, talking about the mathematics and logical reasoning you will be facing in CA Foundation, it's all about MCQs. So you need to know all the tips, tricks and secrets of how to play around with options and solve the MCQ questions. So join me in class and I'll be teaching you how to read the question and mark the answer. We will be having immense practice sessions, mock tests and exam strategy sessions to make you capable of solving the questions in no time, because the exam is race against time. So see you in class.
Hello everyone, I'm Nikunj Bhandari. I have done my graduation in economics from Presidency University, Kolkata. I'll be teaching you paper 4 of CA Foundation, Economics and Business and Commercial Knowledge. The mindset of the students regarding this paper is that it's a theoretical subject in which you just mug up and write the answers. But then it's not just mugging up and writing the answers. It's about the concepts and applying those concepts in the real life as well as in the questions, and then writing about the answers. The classes start from first week of June and hope to see you all there.